Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving into some challenging nmdcat MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is which of the following is a primary function of the kidney and maintaining homeostasis? A. Regulation of blood glucose level. B. Regulation of blood pH. C. Regulation of body temperature. And D. Regulation of hormone level. So the correct option is regulation of blood pH. B is the correct option. The next MCQ is in which part of the brain is the temperature regulator center located? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Hypothalamus. And D. Thalamus. So the correct option is C. Hypothalamus. The next MCQ is when blood pressure drops, which mechanism is activated to restore normal pressure? A. Blood vessels constriction. B. Blood vessels dilation. C. Increase urine production. And D. Decrease heart rate. So the correct option is blood vessels constriction. The next MCQ is which of the following hormone is responsible for increasing blood calcium levels? A. Insulin. B. Calcitonin. C. Parathyroid hormone. And D. Aldosterone. So the correct option is C. Parathyroid hormone. The next MCQ is which of the following statement best describe negative feedback and homeostasis? A. The response enhances the original stimulus. B. The response reduces the effect of the original stimulus. C. The response completely ignores the original stimulus. And D. The response changes the direction of the stimulus. So the correct option is the response reduce the effect of the original stimulus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following mechanism is used by the body to regulate blood glucose level? A. Osmoregulation. B. Thermoregulation. C. Insulin and glucagon secretion. And D. Blood pressure regulation. So the correct option is C. Insulin and glucagon secretion. The next MCQ is what role does the liver play in homeostasis? A. It produces hormones that regulate heart rate. B. It filters blood to remove toxins and regulates glucose level. C. It controls body temperature through sweating. C. It maintains body pH by regulating breathing. So the correct option is B. It filters blood to remove toxins and regulate glucose level. The next MCQ is in the human body, which organ system primarily manages the regulation of water balance? A. Digestive system. B. Respiratory system. C. Urinary system. And D. Nervous system. So the correct option is C. Urinary system. The next MCQ is what is the primary function of the hypothalamus in maintaining homeostasis? A. To store and release hormone. B. To control the body temperature, hunger and thirst. C. To filter and remove waste from the blood. And D. To regulate the pH of the blood. So the correct option is B. To control the body temperature, hunger and thirst. The next MCQ is during extreme heat, the body response to maintain homeostasis includes A. Shivering to generate heat. B. Sweating to cool down. C. Decreasing blood flow to the skin. D. Increasing metabolic rate. So the correct option is B. Sweating to cool down. The next MCQ is which of the following statement about the role of the kidney and homeostasis is correct? A. They regulate blood pressure through hormone production. B. They filter waste products from the blood and produce urine. C. They regulate body temperature through water loss. And D. They control the balance of electrolytes by secreting hormone. So the correct option is B. They filter waste product from the blood and produce urine. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology knowledge skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.